Alrighty, Crf50. We just took the mini bike out. Let's go test this thing out. This thing it's not bad actually. It's pretty good in the snow. The rear tire has no tread. I bet if I had a better one on this thing, it'd do a lot better. Normally I just stay in first and then kind of cruise through. The mini bike's good, but it's kind of heavy and the tires are big, so it's hard to, you know, kind of gain traction and stuff. Like this thing, we're cruising through pretty well compared to the mini bike. Even if we go through the deep snow, like check this. Oh, there's so many rocks in here, I forgot about this. Huh. There's a deer, something came through here. Yeah, man. It's a shooting range. I don't even know if I've showed you all this before. But we stacked the logs up as a backstop. We hang this flat target. We call them Flat Stanley, if you've ever read those books, or just Stanley. This thing's actually not bad in the snow, dude. Not even gonna lie, the first day it was hard, but now that the snow's pretty soft and kind of just like there. Maybe I spoke too soon. Now that there's like snow all over my rear tire. Nah, once we get going, it's pretty good. Let's climb the hill of death. Holy dude. Yeah, once the tires get snow, the tire gets snow in it, pretty much does nothing. Trying to keep myself in the middle here, but it keeps slipping out. There. Revving this thing out. Climbing the hill. Nah. I do wish I had a better rear tire, so then I could really put this thing to the test. Because once all the ice gets in there, there's hardly any tread there to begin with. But yeah, so you kind of got to get up to speed on this one a little too. Oh, it does fine on these flats though, with not as much snow. Ice, straight ice right here. Straight up the hill. Almost went into that birdhouse. Let's go through the field. I want to see how well this thing can do. Second gear, straight cruising, no problems. But I bet if I turn, then I'm gonna slide. See if I can do any wheelies out here. It's too hard to keep rolling in the snow. I can hardly even pop it up. And then like I'm like sinking right here. Oh, this is deep. Then it's not. You can see it's like in little patches. I'm gonna miss the snow, but hey, I kind of want my dirt. Just a little. I do like the snow, but I want my power and the dirt back. Let me see if I can do some. My bike keeps on wanting to die on me if I don't give it some gas. Yeah, it's a little hard because if I give it the normal throttle I'm used to giving to get it to pop, it just bogs. Well, let me try again. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Are you kidding me? What the hell is wrong with this thing? It's a Honda, bruh. No one's gonna care if I rev this thing up. There we go. It's kind of risky because of the ice and the snow in here. Way easier than yesterday though. It was hard to make it down this road, but it is still pretty slick. I'm just dragging my feet. Let's take a shortcut through here. This thing's a little beast, honestly. Like, check that out. The mini bike struggles with that quite a little bit. Alright, let's take it into the pond. I'm a little nervous, but I just slid out the exact same spot I did on the mini bike. Alright. I was trying to do a little wall ride and stuff. It's too deep though. Yeah, we were not gonna make that. I thought I could make that. Well, this thing, I finally got it started. It needs to go back for sure, probably, and just chill over the ice. So yeah, we're gonna put this thing away. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Bataha, and I'll see y'all in the next one.